From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bond. Sunrise was at 7:30 this morning. Sunset will be at 5:28, and when the sun does set, we'll have a little bit more sunshine compared to yesterday. Yesterday, we did manage to make it up to 51 degrees. We only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, although there was a number of locations that did get a little bit more rainfall. We do have a surface trough kind of moving through a cold front as well. That cold front is going to move on through, bring in some slightly cooler conditions for the last day of the work week. But today, it's going to be close to seasonable. We'll enjoy a lot of sunshine, a little bit of a breeze coming out of the north at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clear skies tonight with the lows dropping down into the mid to possibly upper 20s, so kind of a colder start to your Friday. Friday afternoon and Friday evening, those clouds will return to the Midlands. That'll be ahead of our next weather maker. It's going to bring us a pretty good chance for rain very early in the day on Saturday. This is Saturday at 3 o'clock in the morning. There's that rain already moving across parts of the Midlands. Some heavier rain along and south of I-20. North of I-20, a little bit lighter at that point. And if you look closely in the upstate of South Carolina, there may be a little bit of a window of an opportunity for some mixed precipitation. We'll have some more showers through the mid-morning hours. By the time we get to the afternoon hours of Saturday, the rain will kind of move on out. The clouds will stick around throughout the day. And then gradually as we go into Saturday night, those clouds will start to move on out. Sunshine returns for the second half of the weekend. The European forecast model showing the rainfall on Saturday and Tuesday. Friday should be dry. Sunday's dry. Monday's dry. Wednesday's dry. The American model showing that basic same setup with Saturday and Tuesday really being our rain days at this point. As we mentioned, maybe some mixed precipitation in the upstate of South Carolina. If you are going to be traveling, especially in the mountains of North Carolina up towards Virginia, they're expecting some ice there. So it could be some slick roads, especially if you're heading north on I-26, I-77, and up through Virginia and places like that. So once again, if you're traveling this weekend, especially up that direction, you do want to pay attention to those road conditions. High temperatures today in the low to mid 50s with a good bit of sunshine. Lows tonight dropping down into the mid to upper 20s. So again, a cold start to your Friday. Over the next 7 days, we could pick up anywhere from 3 to 4 inches of rain. Mentioned it earlier. It's really Saturday and Tuesday when we're expecting that rainfall to really possibly be heavy at times. Excessive rainfall outlook does include at least parts of the Midlands over towards the Grand Strand and the PD, even the low country of South Carolina for Saturday. So there'll be a small chance for some flooding on Saturday, as those rain chances will be on the increase early Saturday morning. So rain's likely early in the day on Saturday. Sunday we dry up. Mid 50s on Monday as clouds return to the Midlands. Breezy conditions on Tuesday. Possibility for some thunderstorms. That's something we'll kind of have to watch for, but we're still several days away from there. High temperatures on Tuesday in the mid to upper 60s. Here's the coastal forecast showing the rain on Saturday, possible storms on Tuesday. Forecast for the upstate, basically the same thing with the rain on Saturday and rain on Tuesday. Upstate looking pretty good today with those temperatures in the low 50s with a good bit of sunshine. Looking ahead, our January 11th through January 17th temperature forecast showing warmer than normal conditions for a good portion of South Carolina. And then as we look ahead towards that same time frame, do we expect it to be wetter than normal as well. So those rain chances will continue, it looks like, January 11th through January 17th.